It's all about the journey, not the destination. That's not right. This is what it is.
Kreek Speak Business Solutions.
Hi, Adam Kreek here, executive business coach, helping you make it happen. So I was training for the Olympics in 2004, and I walked into the gym and I saw this chalkboard. You know, you see the sayings and the phrases on the chalkboard, and it had the saying, it's all about the journey, not about the destination. And I was walking in, it was the end of the week, and I read this and I look at my teammate looks at me and he says, bullshit. Bullshit, it's not about the destination, because why else would I be putting up with this grind? It's about more than the journey. We actually need a destination if we're going to motivate a compelling and an engaging journey. And I think there's two problems we can have. One, we can be solely outcome focused and only thinking about where we want to be. And if we're only focused on the outcome, we're always living in the future, and the present sucks. And we don't enjoy the present at all, and we're hating ourselves. On the other side, we can be always in the present. And when we're always in the present, we're sacrificing the future. We're not using, that's our prefrontal cortex. What we need to do is find that balance between being future focused and future driven and being present and focusing on the opportunities in the present and making it happen. Now here's the thing, if you don't enjoy the present and you don't enjoy where you're going, that's complete failure. You have to change your path somewhere. You'll get a coach and figure it out.
Yeah!
It's all about the journey, not the destination. That's not right. This is what it is. It's about the journey and the destination.
Make it better.
What about when you die?
What about when you die? I'm Nigel. Hold me back if I'm being crazy. It's more than a journey.